Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to do some more scrapping and going to show you a shortcut here. Easiest way to take a motor out of a squirrel cage blower, period. So little shortcut. This is just for the copper, but I'll show you how I do it. So let's get this set up. I will set the camera up, get the tools. You can see how I do this. Alright, first thing, take your back off. You can usually reach down here with your hands and hold it. Pop it right out. These nuts off. Get under there and hold the head still. Whoop. Pop that off. Let me grab the hammer. Knock that piece of aluminum loose. Just like that. And you want to take your mounts loose. Hopefully you can see that. My head wasn't in the way. And then, put there. That's all you want. There's no copper in the stator. Right there, at all. 10, shred, and take your die grinder, you know, your grinder, regular grinder, die grinder, plasma, whatever, cut that out and get your copper. So, that's simple. There ain't no sense cutting them shafts or none of that. So, that quick, folks. Don't waste your time taking the blower fins off and all that and then trying to pull the whole motor. Yeah, just do it like that. Works just fine. So, hope you like this video. Hopefully that'll save you a lot of time and a big shortcut and help you out. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it if you know someone else needs to know that hack. And like I said, it helps the channel if you give me a thumbs up and like it. And I guess that's it for this video. So, as always, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.